Hey, Kjell in Denmark. Some time ago I did some test melting on some aluminium, and I made some bars like this, and today I tried to machine it just to see how good it did machine. There's some shrinkage there, but otherwise I think it's very good. I made some dings there with the hammer when I mounted it, and there seems to be some small piece of iron or sand grains that comes up, but I think it's iron. But overall I think it looks good. Can I do it with these small bars? Why not with these? So let's try. I plan to do it this way. This surface is nearly a straight line, and if I place this here and drill a hole here and here and fasten these two holes here with nuts inside this, then I can clamp this . No. Yeah, maybe not. Let's see. And then two saw blades, one on each side, here, and then run through the bar this way. Then I have a straight bar. I only have to cut this away and clamp this side. Let's see. Maybe it can be used, maybe not. I think I have to do it this way to be able to clamp it and weld these angle pieces on the end, so I can clamp them here and weld there and there and there and there, drill a hole here and place the bar up here and screw it with a bolt. Yeah, I think that's the plan. I think I can do it this way. I clamped an angle iron on here, on the end, drilled a hole and a nut in there and the bolt, and then clamp it on like this. So, and the saw blades coming here, maybe I have to be careful there, but I'll come back when it's all set up. Now I think I'm ready. I've checked the distance from here, the bottom, to the column, and the same here when I move the table back. Same distance. then this, the main line in this block is parallel to the column, so it should be right. The speed, I think that's okay. And the travel, let's try with that. Check for free movement all over. Too loose, I think. Why? Let's try that. be one pass more. And that's finished. Nearly finished. Yeah, finished, but surely not worth the efforts. There's too much crud in these bars to just saw them and use them for something. Not worth the effort. Thanks for watching.